is consumed the most in India? A. Rice. B. Roti, bread. C. Lentils. Correct answer is A. Rice. On the banks of which river is Ayodhya situated? A. Sarayu River. B. Ganga River. C. Yamuna River. Correct answer is A. Sarayu River. Where can you see the green sun? A. Norway. B. Alaska. C. Hawaii. Correct answer is C. Hawaii. Which food has the highest protein content? A. Soybean. B. Lentils. C. Chickpeas. Correct answer is A. Soybean. In which country were the first banknotes made? A. India. B. China. C. Japan. Correct answer is B. China. Which bird feeds milk to its young? A. Pigeon. B. Crow. C. Hen. Correct answer is A. Pigeon. How much does a blue whale's heart weigh? A. 150 kilograms. B. 180 kilogram. C. 200 kilogram. Correct answer is C. 200 kilograms. Which color can a squirrel not see? A. Red. B. Green. C. Blue. Correct answer is A. Red. Which country is considered to have the strictest laws? A. China. B. Saudi Arabia. C. North Korea. Correct answer is C. North Korea. What is the name of India's national sweet? A. Jalebi. B. Rasgulla. C. Kheer. Correct answer is A. Jalebi. Which country has no cinema halls? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Bhutan. C. Afghanistan. Correct answer is B. Bhutan. What is India's most favorite food? A. Biryani. B. Dal rice. C. Paratha. Correct answer is B. Dal rice. What was the original name of Mahabharata? A. Jaya Sanhita. B. Yuddha Katha. C. Bharat Katha. Correct answer is A. Jaya Sanhita. Where is the Teej festival celebrated? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Which country has the highest population? A. India. B. China. C. America. Correct answer is B. China. Which state has the largest area in India? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. Eating which leaf improves brain function? A. Mint. B. Brahmi. C. Tulsi. Correct answer is B. Brahmi. Which animal sleeps with one eye open? A. Crocodile. B. Dolphin. C. Snake. Correct answer is B. Dolphin. Which country has the world's largest airport? A. America. B. China. C. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer is A. America. How many teeth does a dog have? A. 32. B. 42. C. 36. Correct answer is B 42.